Oke, The Adventure of Mr.W by Mr.W. Intinya sekarang aku nyanyiin lagu ini slow aja men gitu kan. Dan ingat lagu ini nggak punya intro ya, hanya intro di awal, pertengahan dan akhirnya sudah nggak ada intro. Oke, check it out. Isep rokok dulu sambil nyanyi. 3, 2, nah. We keep it on close toes. Every time I see you, I die little more. Solo moments that we still are getting force. You'll never be enough. It's obvious you meant for me. Everything should be, it just fits perfectly. Every second, every thought, I'm in so deep. With I never saw it. Oh, my face, I will notice. We got a lot that is more alone. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I catch you on a Tesla? I wish I could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. When you're with Hunter, you go home. Like you doing, you're with me. Thought it feel the same. Would you leave if I was ready to settle down? Or would you play safe and stay? Boy, you know this. We got a love that is honest. Why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I catch you on a Tesla? I wish that it could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. And nobody knows. I'm Sama's baby. I don't wanna hate her so way. Title on the father ever make it. I'm a fit for that day. Someday. Why can't I hurt you in the street? Why can't I kiss you on a Tesla? I wish God we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours, I'll be why can't you hold me in the street? Why can't I catch the one on this floor? I wish God we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Why can't I say that I'm in love? I wanna sound it for the good time, baby. I wish God we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. Why can't we be like that? Wish we could be like that. Be like that. Oke deh. The Adventure of Mr. W by Mr. W. Aku pergi untuk kembali dan aku kembali untuk pergi. Oke. And see you next time. Thanks for watching and everything for you all. Oke. Intinya ini nyanyianku yang ada apanya bukan apa adanya. Oke. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oke, The Adventure of Mr.W by Mr.W. Intinya sekarang aku nyanyiin lagu ini slow aja men gitu kan. Dan ingat lagu ini nggak punya intro ya, hanya intro di awal, pertengahan dan akhirnya sudah nggak ada intro. Oke, check it out. Isep rokok dulu sambil nyanyi. 3, 2, we keep it on close toes. Every time I see you, I die little more. Solo moments that we still are.